Hi, welcome to In the Garden. Thanks for joining me. I just want to take a minute to quickly introduce myself and to introduce you to the channel. My name is Ben, and I've been gardening here in the high desert for about 10 years. I am not an expert, and I definitely don't know everything about gardening, and I'm always trying to learn more while growing my own garden. I like to think of this channel not as a way to tell you how to garden, but more like I'm just reaching out to a friend to help them with their garden. I want to share my experiences as a home gardener with you. I want to help you learn and to get past some of the struggles that new and first-time gardeners face so that you can be successful and find enjoyment in backyard vegetable gardening. Gardening is a great way to not only grow your own healthy food, but also a good way to just find joy and to get a little closer to nature. Plus, knowing how to grow your own food is a life skill that I think everyone should have. I encourage everyone to grow a home garden, and I encourage you to get your kids and your grandkids involved as well. On this channel, I share tips and tools to help new gardeners be successful in backyard vegetable gardening. You're going to find videos on a variety of topics regarding home gardening, with a focus on gardening in the high desert. Our unique climate creates challenges that gardeners in other areas may not face. So many of the gardening videos you're going to find on YouTube won't address these challenges in a way that they affect us here in the desert. My videos are aimed at new and first-time gardeners. I try to explain things in a way that new gardeners can understand and relate to. If you're brand new to vegetable gardening, this is the channel for you. You'll learn everything from preparing a garden bed and starting seeds all the way up to harvesting your crops. And from time to time, I'll talk about products that you can use in your garden to help you be even more successful. I just want you to be successful in backyard gardening. So from one gardener to another, welcome and happy gardening. Be sure that you subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at inthegarden_IG. And there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.